Copper gutters are more than a finishing touch. They're a statement, a balance of beauty, craftsmanship, and long-term protection. And here in Utah, no one installs copper quite like Ace Gutter. In this Parade of Homes example, you'll see how copper transforms a home. Valor Homes partnered with Ace Gutter to showcase half-round European copper gutters and a handcrafted chimney cap, a true display of timeless craft. The results speak for themselves. Clean lines, rich detail, and a presence that elevates a home the moment you see it. But here's the best part. You don't need a Parade of Homes budget to bring this kind of beauty to your home. Ace Gutter offers copper options for every homeowner: full systems, selective upgrades, accent pieces, and smart replacements that add warmth and character without stretching your budget. And copper is built to last. Naturally resistant to corrosion, copper gutters can perform for 50 years or more. Over time, they develop a patina that protects the metal and deepens its beauty. Every installation is custom fit on site. Our expertly trained teams take careful measurements, secure each joint and bracket, and ensure your gutter system looks incredible and protects your home through every Utah storm. With nearly 1,300 Google reviews and a 4.9 rating, Ace Gutter has earned the trust of homeowners across Utah. So whether you're upgrading to a full copper system or repairing the one you already have, Ace Gutter delivers craftsmanship you can count on. Let us help you create your own Parade of Homes moment. Visit acegutterinc.com or call 801-676-1048 to get started.